Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to give your house or office a stylish and durable and budget-friendly flooring upgrade, you are come to the right place. Today we are diving into the PVC flooring designs and what is and why it's important and most important how much cost in India. So friends, PVC flooring is polyvinyl chloride flooring. It's an synthetic and versatile and super popular flooring option. It comes in sheets, tiles or planks. It's mimicking the look of wood or stone or tiles. But it's fraction of the cost. It is waterproof, easy to clean and perfect for homes, offices or even high traffic areas like shops or restaurants. So friends, look at this. You can get the wood finish and marble look or even funky designs and all while being to the termite proof and anti-slip and low maintenance and cool and right. So friends, why you can go for PVC floorings? Because it's durable, it's scratch and resistant and built to last for years, and it's perfect for kitchens or bathrooms because it's waterproof and options like its easy installation, peel and stick or click lock of make it you can self also fix it and hundred of designs to match your interior's vibe, and of course it's budget friendly, which brings us to the big question: how much does it cost in India? So friends, let's break down the price of PVC flooring in India 2025. It's keep in the mind. Prices vary based on thickness, quality, brand, and where you are buy from. PVC flooring sheets is the 0.65 mm to 1 mm thickness. These are super and thin, great for low traffic areas. Prices starting at around 15 rupees to 30 rupees per square foot. For bulk orders, you might snack deal has low 15.5 rupees plus GST in some places, and another one PVC vinyl flooring. It's 1.5 mm to 2 mm thickness. These are perfect for homes and offices. This range from the 25 rupees to 65 rupees per square foot. You will find the brands like Wonder Floor or Marvel Vinyl offering its vibrant designs in this range. And another one is the premium PVC planks. These are 3 mm to 5 mm thickness for luxurious wood-like look. With interlocking system, expect to pay the 90 rupees to 350 rupees per square foot. Specialty flooring, examples like sports or gym floorings, or think badminton courts or gym spaces. This can cost is the 90 rupees to 250 rupees per square foot for thicker and Christian options. Prices on platforms like Amazon or Flipkart might be range from 695 to 1700 rupees.